Hi, my name's John Lanning with Cleveland here at the NRA show. This is our HA series mixer kettle. HA stands for horizontal mixer. You can see the mixer, it actually comes in from the side, and the big benefit of the horizontal agitator is it's very, very powerful. It does have a variable speed control, so you can go from low to very fast. You can see how much faster the agitator goes. You can slow that down. We also feature a two-piece spring assist cover with a safety screen. So what happens, you can fold this up, the safety screen, you can pour your ingredients in here, but as soon as you lift it, it'll stop the agitator. So again, just for safety. This is a 60-gallon model. We have a 60, 80, and 100-gallon, stationary or tilting. And this here is a self-contained gas kettle. It features our forced air power burner gas combustion system, so it's very powerful. It's in the back here. Also, you're able to pump from this too. So for cook chill applications, you can hook up a food hose to it, you can pump with this. So this is a 3-inch air piston valve, and the way this works, this is an air-operated drain valve. When it's closed, it completely seals the bottom of that kettle, and then when you go to pump, this opens up and opens that up and allows you to pump from it. You can see inside here too, if you look in the bottom, completely closed. This way you don't get any uncooked, unmixed food down below that, down below the drain valve, so it's very sanitary. We're also showing our new easy dial control. You can set time and temperature. It has a built-in probe in the mixer kettle as well. And we're also showing our data logger. For customers that have a HACCP program or they're a USDA kitchen, you can actually record, turn this on, hit start, it'll record time and temperature, and then you could download that onto a USB stick. Built-in water meter. If you need more information, feel free to go to the Cleveland website or contact your local Cleveland rep.